I can see it.
Come on, you're 63, 64 years old. You worry about your booty being big enough.
I don't want a flat one.
Who are you trying to impress?
Myself, because mine is little.
Well.
Where's my salt? Skillet's dirty. Oh, I can't put my egg in dirty skillet. Oh, no, you don't. No, you gonna get into it? I wish you would.
Don't start no mess.
What you said? 60 years old. Trying to make it a dramatic. Who you trying to impress?
Yeah.
Me. That's what I'm trying to impress. Like I said. You can record that if you like.
I am recording.
I'm impressing myself.
You worry about if your booty's big or not.
That's right.
Where you gonna go?
You're gonna go to one. It doesn't have to be big. I just don't want it.
You're gonna go to DR and get you a booty surgery?
Oh no, I won't pay money for it. I'll work out if I have to. That's what I'm doing.
I won't pay money for it. Tell Tita to get a booty reduction and give you the fat that's in there.
Tita got a booty enough for 3 women.
Yeah, Tita.
And she know it too.
Tita know it.
Yeah, she know it.
I don't think Tita even.
She be walking around with her big way up here.
Do that again, man. Do that again, man.
No, I know.
I got
that girl make me laugh. That's some girl. That is some girl. And just laugh for her little heart. Just as happy as can be.
She is happy.
As old you would thought she was a little girl as old as she is.
What are you making?
Love her. I'm making you some scrambled eggs. That's what you said you wanted.
Scrambled eggs. So you gonna teach the world how to make scrambled eggs? So eggs and salt and pepper, man, that's it, man?
Some water. I don't use milk.
You don't use milk?
I don't use milk. I use water. Milk kind of makes it, no. Milk makes it for me, kind of, I guess milky. With the water makes it more fluffier to me. Milk should make it fluffy too, but I don't know. I don't like it as thick. I like it kind of a thinner egg mixture. So
you want to get plastic surgery on?
No. I told you I'm not into
for anything. No, I'm not in like plastic surgery. You want to enhance or take away anything?
I enhance by working out.
Just working out is good. Is there anything you don't want in your body that you take off?
My stomach.
You want to get a nip tuck?
No, I don't want to go under any surgery. I don't want to go under a knife. I'd rather work out, but it's hard.
Like let's say women get pregnant and they got the loose skin.
Yeah, you can do that too when you lose a lot of weight fast. You get loose skin. But if you work out, you'd be surprised how your body can transform. Like just by simply working out and eating good, eating simple, eating clean.
Some people that lose weight get the loose skin.
Yeah, if you lose it too fast. You lose it too fast and you lose a whole lot of weight, you get loose skin. Some people, I've seen some.
I like how you wash your hands and your dishes before you cook.
Always do.
Some people don't wash their hands when they cook.
I know.
So even when you make your own food, you wash your hands, huh?
Of course. Why not? Why not?
You say you shake some.
Don't you wash your hands?
So after you shake my hand, you wash your hands?
After I shake your hand?
Yes.
Did I shake your hand?
I was saying.
I did, yes.
Ooh, scrambled eggs. How you make scrambled eggs, man?
Didn't you just take a picture of it?
I'm telling you, some people don't know how to make it in the skillet, man. Some people don't know.
I took 6 eggs, Daniel, scrambled it, mixed it with some water, salt and pepper, buttered the skillet down and put it on medium.
And you just rotate it like that.
And take a spatula and make sure that you just fold it. And as soon as it gets folded, depends on how soft you want it, you keep folding it. If you don't want it as soft, you kind of like let it sit and let it cook.
So you don't cook it too fast?
No.
Let us do something.
As you flip it.
Yours is hot, man. Again.
It's hot.
The skillet's hot, but it's sticking a little bit, man.
Oh, it's because of the skillet. You gotta get the skillet.
He said because of the skillet. Don't blame my skillet. Don't blame my skillet.
I don't blame your skillet.
So this is how you.
If it was a better skillet. Keep saying, let me finish. It would cook better. But the skillet that you have.
You're blaming my skillets.
It doesn't take away the taste, though. I'm still gonna be folding it.
Watch, it's still gonna look beautiful.
It's gonna look beautiful and it's gonna taste beautiful.
So you're gonna be part of our YouTube channel? Just some recipes and how to cook and everything.
And if it gets too hot, but you don't want it to get too hot, you just lift it up. Keep on folding. Okay. I like my eggs soft. I don't like my eggs
hard. So just at that point.
Yeah, I mean, you can remove it because it's still hot, like you said. So it's still cooking. Remove it. Make sure it's cooked. And then we're going to put some cheese on it. That's what you said you wanted.
So all those eggs from me?
I may eat a little bit of it. Just to taste my cooking. Okay, so we're going to, right now what we're going to do is sprinkle it with cheese. And then I'm going to get a plate and put it on top just for like a minute. So then you'll see what it looks like. I wish you had some. You want some peppers, some jalapeno peppers?
Do they have peppers?
Or you don't want jalapeno peppers?
Look at I got your face all up in the camera.
I got big. I got some jalapeno peppers.
Your face got all up in the camera.
You want some jalapeno peppers?
That's some jalapeno peppers.
Okay, be right back. When I come back, that should be.
The cheese should be. So you put a plate over the.
Yeah, keep it the steam warm. Keep it warm.
Where you going? My refrigerator right here.
No, my jalapeno peppers in here.
Where you going? You got your.
I got another kitchen.
You got another kitchen in the room?
Yeah. I'm gonna go to my refrigerator.
So you hiding jalapeno peppers?
And other things.
You gonna come out? You can't eat, man.
And these jalapeno peppers came from Subway.
Oh, you got it from
This is
Subway?
extra from I had on my sandwich.
Oh, let me see. Ooh, those are diced already.
So, and there was some cheese.
You asked them to. You took it off your sandwich, or you asked them to put it on the
No,
side?
I told them to put it on the side. My cheese, I knew I was going to use it for something. I didn't want it on my tuna sandwich.
No.
But it gives it a nice.
Man, you ordered tuna. You asked them to make you a tuna sandwich over at
Subway?
Yes.
And then I went to our kids and got.
Man, you can make a tuna sandwich here, man.
I know I could have, but I didn't feel like cooking. Every once in a while. And then once in a while.
Oh, the reveal?
Not quite yet.
It's not okay. We shut it down.
It's good to treat yourself.
And
that's exactly what I do with my tuna sandwich.
So what are you gonna do on our YouTube channel?
Hi?
What are you gonna be doing on our YouTube channel?
You said you wanted me to cook.
So you're gonna do recipes and all that stuff?
Yeah, I guess. That's what you. I'm gonna put some recipes on.
You know, Tita gonna be up in here trying to eat your food, man.
That's alright.
Tita's gonna steal your recipes.
That's okay too. That means that she gets the recipe. That means I don't have to cook.
Eventually.
That means that she'll learn it and that I don't have to cook anymore. You're all good. It's almost okay. I'm going to put yours on this plate. And I'm going to put it in the microwave.
About ready, man?
Real quick.
You ready, man?
But I'm going to put it in the microwave though. Just real quick. And I may not.
You put eggs in the microwave, man.
No, it's going to have your cheese melt.
Oh.
You don't want toast, huh?
No, I don't want those. That look good. Oh my goodness. All them eggs. All I wanted was eggs for breakfast. I didn't want nothing else. No hash browns, no nothing. Those are jalapenos?
They're not warm though. It's okay.
It's okay, man.
A little bit warmer. It's just good cold.
What happens when you warm with the jalapenos, huh?
Huh?
Why you warm with the jalapeno?
Just have it warm, give it
Does it make it hotter?
Sometimes it does.
Oh no.
But it's not on top of your food, so it'll be okay. But I like how it gives it a kick. It gives your eggs a nice kick.
So you want and give you extra kick to it?
Yeah. Instead of doing what's that one? Egg ranchero with salsa. We're doing jalapeno peppers.
Oh, okay.
Make it nice and spicy. Okay.
Okay.
Here you go.
Scrambled eggs with jalapenos.
Yep.
Okay. With the
There you
cheese.
go.
Oh, that's for me.
Yep.
Thank you,
Taste it,
Kat.
see what it tastes like.
Thank you, kindly. Tita's milks.
Here we go.
How you say very good, man? All right, y'all.
Would you like some strawberry juice? Sorry, banana juice, Hannah?
I'll take a little bit, please, man. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh, the cheese is stretching.
You can put a jalapeno pepper. Not good.
Mmm. The jalapeno. Ooh. All right, y'all. Take that. Mmm.
Jalapeno pepper.
Mom, so delicious.
Yeah.
The eggs is not soft. The eggs is soft. Jalapeno gives an extra kick.
Yeah.
Oh. How much I gotta pay you money to be my chef, man? That is delicious.
Yeah. Simple, man. No?
Jalapeno eggs with cheese.
What's that?
You're gonna see more. You're gonna see more of you, man, on this YouTube channel.
Okay. And here's
What, DanYo&Tita cup?
and strawberry and banana.
What, DanYo&Tita cup? Sorry, banana.
This is healthy for you.
This one.
The probiotics. This drink. This is very good. Oh, you gonna drink milk?
No, it has some milk right here. All right, y'all. We got more to come.